Hello guys, this is lesson number 2. So, we knew everything about the software from the outside. Let's jump in creating project. I'll explain those in the next lessons, but now let's focus on this. You have the import field, which is this one. You click on the plus sign here, the white one inside of the blue circle. And for example, I uploaded this one. Now, as you can see, I can drag it to the timeline, which I will show you later. Now here, if you have a video, which is this one, let me import it. You can click on the video to preview it. So you will get the idea of the video without putting it in the timeline. So you click on the video and the video is playing. Okay. So in the yours, you have, if you have any favorites, they will show you right here. And my presets, if you saved any preset to use it in the upcoming projects, you will see it right here. Also for the brand assets. For the generation, you have to get a subscription, which is CapCut Pro, which is the one I have it right now. You can generate images by describing the images and adding a reference image, then create. After this, you can see it's free. And if you change the model, it will not stay on the free. So all the ones with the Pro need credits. So let's get back to our free model and we click on generate. So the bar is filling right now. As you can see, the image was generated and there's this AI on the top left corner.
You will have
different types of generations, like this one or this one, and there will be 2 others. So it's a cool feature for free one. Let's jump to AI video. Here also we have a reference image and a model you can use from those models like Sora 2, and based on the parameters you set, like the resolution or duration or the aspect ratio, the number of credits required for this video to be generated will change. So, for example, if I put 12 seconds, so it will need now 1400 credits. You can describe the scene, you can put an image, and you can generate it. Or you can go with omni-reference or text to video, also multi-frames. For dialogue scene, you can make character in the photo talk, sing or react. For multiple characters, you can pick who talks. So, you click on try it, you add an audio, you upload character image, and you start to generate. Here on the spaces, you have your own space. So you have a presets or like anything that you saved on your space, it will be showing right here. And of course, we have the library. Here on the library, you have the most trendy reels. But as you see up the top, to avoid the copyright infringement, do not export those materials without editing them. So you have multiple materials here. Some of them are free and some of them are pro. Let's try, for example, this free one. So it's a photo made or captured by community, and you have some footage here, and some of them might be an artwork like this one or some stock video. You can download it, of course, from Mixit or Shutterstock, but CapCut is providing those also. And back to generate, as you see on the AI image, we have now 4 different styles, and all of them are generated by CapCut and they are free to use. Okay, and also you can regenerate with free. Anyway, so if you have Dreamna account, you can sync your assets right here. So this will be all about the media tab, and I will see you in the next lessons.